Power target trades, power trigger trades.
All right, I got a great video to show you how we make gains with skill, right? Because the market has been more giving choppy gains. And I want to demonstrate this, how we made our 100% gains in BA with the March options. Now, let me show you this here. So I posted this plan on February the 10th, right? And again, this is an example of skill. So pay attention, okay? Because a lot of people out there don't have any skill. They give advice and they don't really know how to really make money in the market. Because if they can't make money in chop, you're not going to be you won't be able to even catch the easier gains or the smoother gains. But if you can catch chop, you can catch anything, right? You have to understand that. Okay, so let's go into this plan here. And I mentioned the 420 calls at the time, but however, we decided to use you can see here I showed these two rules. We decided to use the 425 calls, okay? Now, at the time, the 425 calls were $455. That's not what we paid, but that's what they were. So I said BA is set up to test 425 to 435. The March 15 420 calls could be used or should be used, whatever. But we used I used the 425. I'm going to show you that. And basically, this powered over the confirmation. This is one of the reasons why we switched over to the 425 calls. But it was a very choppy trade, this trade. This one did take close to a week and a half before we were able to get these 100% gains. Now, I've had many plans that pay us much faster. Again, it depends on the market conditions. But I want to show and demonstrate how we held these, as that was part of my strategy and plan. So I want to show this, the management here. So let me close this up here. And I'm going to scroll up here, and I go here, February 11th. I am going to use the March 15 425 calls for BA. And then we scroll up here. BA confirming with the March 15 425 calls at $600. Now, I happen to get a better fill than that, but when I was typing in how I got filled, I got a better fill, and it was possible for people to get better averages than the 6. But we'll use this as an example. You know, I honestly my options were about 550, but it doesn't really matter. We're going to use this number as an example. It still gets to the point, $600 per option. Okay. And there were people who got different various fills, and this depends. This is because the market, because BA happened to be choppy. You know, we may have not have gotten these better fills, but it was very possible, I can tell you. As you can see here, it looks like it will be a choppy confirmation and choppy hold, but our stocks have confirmed. So I explained this, right? You can see that this is February 11th, okay, and so on and so forth. I talk about BA because I talk about support over here because BA wasn't really going for us on February the 11th, okay? So I'm going to show you some other things I said on other days. Give me a second here. All right, so here's February 15. I'm not going to show all the days I made comments because that's just going to take too long to make the video, but I'm going to just get to the important part. So here it is. BA doing well. Just a few days ago, options were against us, a little down to 480, and they were a little bit against us, right? Today at 465, so now we're finally getting gains. Again, we held with based on support levels. So I gave the right support levels and I demonstrated how BA was doing well. I said the gains are going to come chop pop gains, and that's what happened. We basically BA on Friday popped, and then we got another pop for today on February the 25th, right? So I said we're going to get chop pop gains. And I've explained that with my group. So that's what I said here. You can see, and I said, did go against us a little bit, but listen, until you sell, you don't lose. And that's a lot of things. A lot of people, they sell for the wrong sell for the wrong reasons. They don't have a clear plan. They don't have a direction. We did. What did I say? 425, 435. What have we done so far? We're inside that range already, right? I still think BA is going to go higher, but I always take 100% gains when we make a good move. All right, now, so let me show you something else here. So here again, I've talked about BA support because we're holding BA for February the 19th. You follow? I had to. You should press pause, read what I said here if you want to read. So press pause. This helps shorten the video. Here's some more comments I made on BA February the 20th. Okay, BA here, as it was over 420. Say what we had to do because it was moving in our favor, but again, I said once we get over 420, it's going to get better. And here you can see February the 21, we had more issues. I talked about support. Of course, we held all the support properly. I gave instructions. Okay, and let me show you something else. And of course, here's where we got the pop, like I've been talking about, the pop. So February, nice move at the end of the day nice move at the end of the day for BA, as I explained. Do not try to guess. This stock favors higher, and the way to catch gains is to focus on chop pop, word for word, like a crystal ball. And again, I've been saying this, like, you know, it's not just going to pay us. You know, the market is, you know, has been paying us really chop pop way. It's not. Sometimes the market's very smooth. You gotta take the gains. As long as the plan is working accordingly, you don't want to be selling out of fear. And had we sold out of fear of BA, well, we wouldn't catch these 100% nice 100% gains. Let me show you the outcome right now. So here's a screenshot of the 425 calls. Now, again, depending on where you got, you can see we were close to hitting. Depending on, I mean, these options did hit close to $1,200. You can see that here. They're $1,162 an option. Okay, so this is why I say 100% gains was made. Okay, and these are large price options, right? So, you know, in order to get 100% exactly, you would, if you bought it at 600, this is more like we'll say 95% gains. Okay, if you bought it at $600, but if you happen to get it at 550. In this case, it was possible for BA or 580. Then you got your 100% gains. Of course, I'm holding runners to see if I can get a lot more than 100% gains. But we tend to take good gains when we're up 100%. Okay. So in this case, this is what you're seeing. I took this in the morning, the snapshot, because then of course they had pulled this back later on in the day. Let me press pause here, people. All right, people. Welcome to Power Trigger Trade. Confirmation is key. You can see here some of the great gifts. Dexter sent me $420, right? I'm going to click, and then what you can do is press pause and read, right? You can read read the message here, okay? $420 gifts from people. As this is out of free will, right? People making money and then sending gifts. Brian, a new member, by the way. Let me show you here, Brian. Let me show you right over here. This is getting posted just a few hours ago. I'm making this video as the market's trading here. I'm going to open this up over here, and here it is. Brian, you less than 3 weeks in my group, has sent me 5 gifts. This is being the biggest one. He even sent me between Friday. It was a small gift on Friday, and this one here, he sent me already about $800 just between Friday and today. Okay, so that's all documented here. And let's read this. Sandro, another big win, another winning plan. Profited 5K on BA. Thanks to your leadership, learning a lot, growing my account, seeing the big picture. You are the big picture leader. Hope everyone is studying your lessons and videos. So there you go, people. Like I tell people, I know what success is. And the people who are serious, like Brian, they make the dollar bills. They study. They listen to what I say. And now he's sending me a nice gift. Look at that. That's a generous gift, right? And there's different size accounts. I have people with small accounts. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. So here's Tijuani. I probably mispronounced the name, but TJ, whatever. We'll say like that, short form. Okay, well, let's click on here. Sandro, you led the team with your hard work and effort. So he's seeing, because everyone's seeing the work I put in this. You are an inspiration for health and wealth. I'm a health and wealth expert. By the way, that's another metric a lot of people don't have. These people who are making money, they look like they're gonna croak anytime soon. You know what I'm saying? They don't have much. They don't have. A lot of people don't have the health. Believe me, out there. Okay, so I propagate both things. That's another story. He had only one BA call, okay, and sent me a $100 gift. Small account, $100 gift. Very generous, okay. Different size accounts. Again, the story with TJ here is that, one day his account grows bigger. He's sending me $200 gifts, $300 gifts, $400 gifts. You know why? Because he's making the dollar bills. Get yourself into Power Group Trade. Let me show you what I'm talking about, people. So what you want to do, people, is to get inside of Power Group Trades, you want to study this created playlist, okay? I mean, sorry, this pinned tweet here. See, it's pinned tweet. Click that link there and study that video. It explains how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. That's what Brian did. Okay, he followed the rules. He's followed me on. He did everything I said. And now, not only is he a member making money, he's sending me dollar bill gifts. Think about it. See if the stock clown gets stuff like this happen to him. People are... Anyways, I don't want to get into the stock clown, but... to the stock clown. Anyways, you know who you are. All right, now. And we're going to go to my YouTube channel over here. All right. Power Target Trades, right? Basically, you want to study this created playlist over here. Right? I got the health and wealth stuff over here. I mean, the health stuff over here. The wealth is tons of wealth videos. Tons of videos from start to end. Listen, you've got to study this stuff, okay? Come to my live streams. I usually do them Wednesday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Canada. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Study the videos. Listen to my words. Ask me questions. I'm here for you to succeed so that you can do well, so that you want to send the dollar bill. What a powerful group that is. That's why it's called Power Group Trades. What a powerful group trades. A group where we help each other make the dollar bills. All right, now. See, at the end of this video, see a picture of me in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. I'll see you on the other side.
Power Target Trades. Power Trigger Trade.